All right, part 2, here we go. Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Supreme Nige, back at it with a brand new video. Today we got part 2 of my Supreme Fall Winter Week 1 unboxing. We are going to be doing our tease cart that we did manage to get on our first live cop. We spent $800. That is pretty insane to me. Anyways, I'm going to hop right into the unboxing. Let's go. So if you guys were able to look at my first unboxing, I was able to get the free gift already in my tease cart order that I was able to get. Also, we did not get the camo box logo sticker. I'm hoping to get that in this one. So here is the sticker pack. I'm gonna let you guys see it before I did. I did not look at the front. Oh, damn. Does not look like we got the freaking camo box logo, but we got a Pharoah Sanders and a little mini Stay Positive sticker. Not bad. All right, so let's go, baby. We got another free gift, another one of these rubberized gloves from Supreme. First beanie that we got right here is the Big Arc beanie, or whatever it was called. Oh yeah, the New Era Big Arc beanie in the gray. If you guys were able to see my drop list review, I did recommend to get this for the resale because I do believe this will do the best because of all the different colors of all the patchwork that they did. Let me see if I can get a nice angle shot on that. Looks like it's very soft. Next beanie is gonna be the Loose Gauge beanie in the sulfur. Right there, it just has a embroidered Supreme spell out on the front there. This one's probably gonna be for the resale as well. Next beanie is gonna be the penguin beanie. I did get this in the purple colorway just because it was probably not the most hype, but I still managed to get this in the, actually no, this is called violet. But I do believe this will resell pretty well. The first hat, we were able to get two actual hats. The first one is the Futura logo 5 panel, and I do believe this one will do pretty well in the future. And it does have a embroidered Supreme spell out in the back there. And this one is the light navy colorway. That one's probably gonna be for the resale as well. And the last one I have in here is gonna be the fitted cap I got is the New Era S logo. And I did get this in the green colorway just because I'm in Wisconsin and I'm a Bucks fan. This did remind me of the Bucks colorways because they have green and red. So I'm probably gonna unds this here for you guys. Let's see here. I'm gonna keep this on, I don't care. I'm just gonna rip this bad boy open. All right, so we do have an embroidered S logo on front and then a woven patch on the back, box logo on the back. Come on, focus on that. Focus on that, there we go. I'm gonna throw this on the head. I did get this in the largest freaking size because my head is just freaking ginormous. So let's see if this fits. Oh, this fits nice. This is on my, maybe even too big, but it definitely fits nice on my head because it's really nice and loose on my head. Does not squeeze in my head. I think it looks good. I like it. So that's gonna be all for this unboxing. Definitely drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe for more unboxings like this. I will be dropping part 3 once I get my bags order from this week. They still have not shipped it out. I still have not got a shipping notification, unfortunately, but definitely subscribe to stay tuned for those. And anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.